Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz but sometimes people solve in a different way and get the wrong answer. Here we have basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this expression using palm dance and bot mass method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have A is 8, B is 10, C is 12 and D is 6. So we have to see which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall that what is the word mass and POMDAS method. Basically, these are the rules basically which apply to solve any arithmetic expression which contains any bracket, exponent, or basic operation of the mass. So here we have some meaning to solve these expressions. So the rule says the dot mass if you are bracket or parenthesis in your expression. So first you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent or the square root. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out the division and multiplication. If multiplication operation is coming, so you have to solve the multiplication first. And if division is coming first, so if you have to solve the division first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. If we are going left to right, so we have to see which operation is coming. Now let's move towards to solve the given expression. So as you can see on the screen, given expression says first you have to solve the brackets. So here we have we do not have any bracket. So now move forward to see the exponent part. So now let's check like there is any exponent part. So no, we do not have any exponent part. Now we have to go left to right in our expression, left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So here we have we have the division. So first we have to divide this expression and other things we will write as it is. So here we will give the reference 6 divided by 3 which is equals to 2. Now move forward again left to right and find out multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication. Now this is the tricky part. Sometimes people say we are using the pot mass. So we are solve this part first, like division solve will be first. And some say I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve this part. No, this is not the case. We have to go left to right and actually multiplication and division has same precision. So now we have to divide first the multiplication. So, sorry, we have to solve the first multiplication. So here we have 6 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 18. And other part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18. Now again we have to go left to right. Now we have to see like again multiplication and division. So here we have this division. So we will write like 2 plus 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. And here we will give the reference. So 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So here the answer of this expression is 8. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very easily and get the correct result. Now, if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer. I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. And also watch my English playlist, which is on my channel. So, and write your score in the comment box so we can see like how much you learn from our channel. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.